All right, paired activity, Dados sentences. The instructions say, roll your dice twice, and that's right here. It says play and then pause to see what you rolled. You have to be careful because if you hit play, if you try and pause it when it's anywhere in the screen other than here, it'll open up a new one. So you have to make sure that you click the wee little pause. And then you're going to write a sentence based on the roll of Dados. Don't forget to conjugate your AR verb. So, for example, if you rolled a 1 and a 4, the very first roll is going to be whatever comes from your blue box. Let's go ahead and hit play and then pause, and I rolled a 1. So that is Carla y Maria. All right, Carla y Maria, that means Carla and Maria. That is they girls. So I'm just going to put ellas. I don't want to have to rewrite all three words when there's one in Spanish that can sum it up. So I'm going to put ellas. And then I'm going to roll for my second one. So now we're going to go to the orange box. Remember to stay over here, make sure it says pause. And I rolled a 3. So that is no trabajar hoy. But I need to change what's bolded here. Trabajar needs to match for ellas. So the ellas form of trabajar, I know after I put in trabajar, I'm going to delete the AR, right? Drop the AR. The ellas form tells me that that's going to end in an AN. And then if I look back at the sentence, the last word is hoy. And now I have completed that. Now, oh crap, I forgot to write down what my numbers were. I don't remember because I'm supposed to add up my points. You're playing a game with your partner, so you're going to see at the end who has the most points. So the easiest way to remember that is, well, ellas, out of all of these, the only one that's ellas is 1. And then the trabajar right here is a 3. So I'm going to add those together and I get 4. And I'm just going to keep a running tally of my score here. So you're going to go back and forth with your partner, taking turn, rolling and doing your sentence. You're writing your own sentences on your own page. You do not write your partner sentence. And then when you're done, you are going to total up and find out who is your winner because you have the grand total and your winner. Again, this is only your work, only what you have rolled, and you are keeping track of your own. One final thing, one way that you can steal points is if I said, for example, ellas no trabajar hoy, that would be totally wrong. I would get that incorrect. My partner would say, it's ellas no trabajan hoy, and then they could steal those points. So just a heads up on that. All right, have fun.